So Wick just got these wheels in from Wheel Vintiques. Took a while to get them. They are 15 by 8. And the paint work is horrendous. But Wick's gonna get these redone locally, right, Wick? The paint?
Yeah.
Gonna have it redone here local?
I hope so.
Yeah.
I hope I can do it.
Yeah, because overspray, bad mask lines. Ugh. Wow. But spin's fairly true. And it'll be better than the factory 14. And we got some more coming too. So we're gonna try the other one out that did come, and then yeah, but look pretty good. Little paint redo and they'll be golden. Spin it. Wow. That's a wobbly, sir.
Alright, you want to send me that video and I'll forward it to those guys?
Yeah. Wheel Vintiques, high price, low quality. Ugh. Don't get me started about the wobble. So I'm taking the lug nuts off by hand, and my fingernail, just like this, touches the paint, and it flaked off. Look at this. It's like a fucking scratcher. Wick, you gotta see this.